Yeah, your boy Mozart again. Today I'm at a noisy area, but stay tuned. I'm gonna go you through anything you need to know about pregnancy. We are going to start from the scratch, and I'll be making episode on these videos about pregnancy. So stay tuned. Watch your guy Mozart through, because I have a lot of experience. Session. What do you know about pregnancy, and what do you think, or how do you think we should treat pregnant women? If you know anything about pregnancy and how you should treat a pregnant woman, how do you live even with a pregnant woman? How do you even cope with them? There are sometimes. I know if you're a guy watching this, you've been searching for videos about this and you're not getting this your first video you are getting. Fine. If you are living with a pregnant woman, trust me, assume you are living with your 3-year-old kid. Assume that. If you don't assume you are living with your 3-year-old kid, you are going to divorce. Trust me. There are going to be a lot of controversies and a lot of things. Sometimes they intentionally do things just to cause problem. I can't remember when my wife was pregnant. She just spilled oil on my shirt just because she wanted me to change that shit. That's all. And she wanted me to stop where I was going. To the extent of hiding car keys from me that I can't get access to the car, I have to walk. It's not easy, man. She has to do that just but outside pregnancy, she's a very cool person and she's not like that. But pregnancy made her that. So if you don't take care, you say maybe your pregnant wife is causing a lot of problems and you need to divorce, which you have to be very careful, very mindful taking those decisions. And the second thing is they are very lazy when they are pregnant. So if your wife is pregnant, your spouse is pregnant, make sure you help them in most things. Sometimes they know they have to do this thing, but they feel very fatigued, very lazy to do those things. I told you there will be a lot of interruptions because I'm at the roadside. So you need to be very mindful on that. If your wife is pregnant, you have to be very careful. Make sure you treat them with care. Else, maybe just waking up to go and urine or something, they may just decide to use a pill. Maybe you have an indoor washroom, but they may decide just to use the pill and leave it there. Sometimes you have to caution them not to be doing those stuffs again and other stuff. So if they do that, you should know if they're pregnant. This is mostly caused by releasing of most hormones that they are not familiar with, and those hormones make them feel like sometimes they are insane. They just do things. I quite remember I shouted at my spouse one time ago, and she was just searching for a knife just to cut me. That's all. That's pregnancy. So if you are not very careful about pregnancy, maybe you end up doing something you are not supposed to. So if you have any decisions about your relationship, make sure the person is out of pregnancy, then you take that decision. Thanks for watching this. I'll continue on in the next episode. Make sure you subscribe if you want to know more about pregnancy. I talk more about psychology, relationship, business, exploring, and more. So make sure you subscribe to be part of the family.